subscribers, welcome back to my channel Survey Got Easier. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to solve disabled area problem on your ArcGIS environment. If you want to solve this problem, it's very simple process. Just follow me while I put with you on how to get it done. This is the map we are working with on the screen. So this is map of Nigeria. On this table of contents, let me come to open attribute table. You come to attribute table of the map you want to bring in the areas. So once you open the attribute table, you come to these icons, you click on this drop down arrow, you click on add feed. So you give it a name, area. So it's going to be double. You click on double and you click OK. So let's check for that. You can see it has been added. This is area here. So now you click on calculate geometry. So you come to your properties here. You can see it shows area disabled, perimeter disabled, and that's what wants to solve. What you do is that you close this. You close this and come back to your table of contents, and you come to this layer here. You select the layer, you right click on it and come to properties. You click on properties. Now on these properties here, you come to coordinate system. As you can see now, this coordinate system is currently on CGS, that is Geographical Coordinate System WGS 1984. So it has to be on projected coordinate system, not geographical coordinate system. Now to do that, you click on this plus icon under projected coordinate system. You come to UTM, you click on the plus icon beside the UTM. You come to this WGS 1984, you click on the plus icon, not hemisphere. The next thing now is to select the zones of the map you are working with. The zone of this map is zone 31. Is zone 31, UTM zone 31. I'll select UTM zone 31. I'll click on apply and I'll click OK. So that has been rectified. The next thing is to come back to the layers and I'll select the map now. I'll select the map, right click on links and open attribute tables. You select this, you click on calculate geometry and you click on yes. So you can see now it has changed to area. It has changed to area. It's no longer disabled. It has changed to area and perimeter. Unlike before that it was showing area disabled, perimeter disabled. Alright. So this one has changed to projected coordinate system. You know, before it was showing geographical coordinate system. And under this unit now you can calculate based on hectares. You can calculate based on meters, square meters, square feet, square kilometer, square miles and like. So I'm interested in calculating with hectares. I'll click on hectares and I'll click OK and I'll click yes. So you can see that it has calculated the area of each of the states for me in hectares. And that is how to solve the problem of disabled areas, disabled perimeters on your ArcGIS environment. And if you found this video helpful, do want to subscribe to my channel, comment on my video, like and share. Thank you.